Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn, in this session we are going to see how to make Google text to speech engine speak with your language. Okay, but before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, so let's start. Friends, I have already made the video to how to configure Google text to speech engine in Raspberry Pi 4 terminal. Okay, but one of my friend asked me a question, as you can see here: how can I make it speak in other language? Do you know how to do it? So first of all, thank you my dear friend, you watched the video and asked the question. Yes, we can make speak in our own language. So I will show you how to do this. Okay, so simply first friends, we want here the Google language code. Okay, so simply visit their website. You have to just search for Google language codes. Okay, so just like this way, I have here search Google language code. As you can see, Google language code, then you have to go here language support. Simply visit their website or visit their page, and here we will got the all the codes for different language. Okay, Afrikaans are there, all the language and their codes are mentioned on their page. Okay, so if you are Bengali, then you have to just type BN. So how to basically add the code? Okay, so first we need to open our script. Our script is ls. If I run the command ls speech.sh, okay, this is what our file, bash file. So simply edit sudo nano speech.sh and just hit enter. Okay, so this is what our script. Go to the end, go to the end. At the end of the file you will see the language code here, the en stands for English. You have to change with your own language code. Okay, so my friend asked me to enter the Portuguese language. Okay, so I am going to search for Portuguese language. Just a minute. As you can see here, this is what the Portugal, Brazil. Okay, so simply you have to copy the code of your language. So PT is the code for Portugal language. Okay, so simply I am going to just, you have to paste that code, or you have to just mention the code PT. That's it, we have done. Control X, Y, enter and save the file. Now friends, I have here, okay, so I have here translate English and speak Portuguese. Okay, so hello friends, thanks, and it's give me the basically the translation in the Portugal language. Okay, so just copy. You have to basically write the your language text. Okay, so which we normally do for the working of speech.sh file. Okay, so just sudo dot slash speech.sh, and what we do, we just mention like this way. Just a minute. Hello, okay, hello world, and just if I hit enter.
Hello world.
Okay, so this is what we normally do, usually do. Now I have to just mention that Portugal text here, and then if I hit enter,
Olá amigos, obrigado.
so that's it. You can make a speech.sh in your own language. Okay, so I am going to tell you again another language. I am from India, so I am going to enter Hindi language. Okay, so if I go here and just a minute here, yes, so we want to search for Hindi. Okay, so this is, as you can see, Hindi for Hindi stands HI. So just mention HI, Control X, Y, enter and save. Now we want to search for the Hindi text. Okay, so I am going to search for, just say, uh, Hindi text. We want to just write the text in Hindi language. Okay, so yes, we are going to go for this Hindi में type करें. Okay, so okay, I am going to copy this text, copy, and I'm going to open our terminal, and this is what our script, and I have to paste that text. Just a minute. Again, okay, here it is. आप कैसे है? Copy it, text in Hindi language, and paste it. आप कैसे है? Okay, now
आप कैसे हैं?
that's it, friends. So this is the way you can make Google text to speech engine speak with your own language. I hope you will learn something from this video. We will meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.